Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. We have y squared, sy, s squared. They are degree number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and this one we have dy over dx. Next we do first the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. Later that we do first the derivative of s, so we have number 1, so we have v. So we put this one to change for y. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s squared for the both sides, and we have v squared plus v. Simplify this one. Now we need to open parentheses. Next, v minus v we cancel. So I will put this one go to the right. So the s and s we put on the left, v squared we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This one we have negative 1 over v. About v, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by s. And now I will need to change this one into this one. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.